My Crispy Sunny Mackerel. A neurotransmitter-friendly dish thanks to its effects on our dopamine and serotonin. I'm taking a second to contemplate this fish and its range of metallic sheen to shiny black skin with an aerodynamic shape, the beauty of nature. We need a whole mackerel between 11 to 12 inches long. Get rid of the tail while keeping the head and skin. Gut the fish. Clean it well. That's it. Drain and sponge the fish with a paper towel to make sure it's dry before seasoning. Position the baking rack in the center of the oven and turn on heat to 345 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of saffron powder, ½ teaspoon of paprika, dry chili pepper seeds or red pepper powder to taste, ½ teaspoon of onion powder, sea or Himalayan salt, and ground pepper to taste. Mix well. The specific technique here is to press the spices all over the fish, inside and out. Stuff the inside of the fish belly with 3/4 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger and optionally 1 grated fresh clove of garlic. Place the seasoned fish in your oven-proof dish. No need to grease the dish first. The mackerel omega-3 fats will beautifully melt from the fish while cooking and crisping the skin. Bake for 50 minutes. Do not cover. These spices are our neurotransmitter wellness boost, like the sun does. As for the fish, a high protein and omega-3 fatty acid content. Isn't it like sun rays directly from your oven? Thoroughly enjoy.